Good afternoon.
We're just waiting for the journalists to join. We'll start as soon as possible. Hello, a very good afternoon. Welcome all friends from the media fraternity to our KBFC pre-match press conference. So we have our interim head coach Ishfaq Ahmad and player Ayush Adhikari. I'll invite all to ask your questions. Coach, we have journalists just started joining. So we also get some questions via chat. The moment I get it, I'll share it with you so that you can answer for that.
Sure.
Hi, Coach. We got the first question from IFTWC from Mr. Kaushal. So I'll just read it the question for you. Am I audible for you, right, Coach?
Yes, yes.
Okay. We all know that the club has gone through a series of bad happenings. Nevertheless, now that you have taken over the managerial role, would you be trying to implement anything new into the team, or would you just keep doing what team have been doing till now? Because you are especially known for good and different set piece tactics from the last season.
Well, it's a difficult situation. We all know that there is no time to change many things. But yes, there will be newness in the team. There will be little bit, things which we want to improve. We're definitely working on them. And boys, the most important thing is that boys are motivated, even though we know that we have nothing to play for. But there is, for me, everything to play for, which is your pride, your self-respect, and I think they are up for these two matches.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you.
Ayush, hi. How you see the season? How you see the season? How you see the ongoing season?
The season was like for the club and for us like pretty hard, but yeah, we've got many things to learn, and we kept on applying in every next game. We learned a lot, and hopefully we'll apply it next game also, and we'll get the positive result.
Thank you. Ayush, I have another question for you from IFTWC. I'll just read it out for you.
Okay.
Your debut has been good. It might be safe to say that you have put forth a really good outgoing outing, even though you only got a few minutes to play for yourself. Anyway, how was it for you to debut for the team, and what are your key takes?
Yeah, absolutely memorable day for me, and I felt really good working hard since the first day and finally getting a chance to play for Blasters and to give myself and provide myself for the team. Even though the result was really hard at the end to take, but yeah, I got that feeling and I learned a lot, and it pushed me more and gave me a good motivation to push myself.
Thank you, Ayush. Coach, thank you so much. I think that's all the question. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ayush, and wish you all the best for tomorrow's match. Take care.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.
Bye. Bye.